Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to recover WhatsApp View Once photo. This method is only for educational purposes. Do not use this information for any illegal activity. View Once photos are meant to be viewed only one time and should respect the privacy of the sender. Start by opening your WhatsApp on your phone. Make sure you are on the main chat screen where all your conversations are visible. Now go to the Settings option. On Android, tap the three dots in the top corner. Inside Settings, look for the option called Storage and Data. Tap on it to continue. This section helps you manage your storage and see what media is taking space on your device. Next, tap on Manage Storage. Here you will see a list of all your chats sorted by storage usage. This helps you locate media files shared in different conversations. Scroll through the list and find the chat of the person who sent you the View Once photo. Tap on that chat to open it. Once the chat opens, scroll through the media section carefully. Check if the photo you are looking for is still available there. If it is available, you can tap on it and view it again. If you cannot find the image in this section, then it means the View Once photo has already been deleted by WhatsApp. View Once photos are designed to be temporary and they disappear after being opened. In most cases, they cannot be recovered after that. If the image is not visible, there is no official way to recover it through WhatsApp settings. Thanks for watching.